doesn't have reverse yet. It's still on the standard transmission, so it's no reverse and no brakes, because there's no servo hooked up to the brakes either. Ooh. Ooh. Damn. And that's why I need to get a water cooling set up. That motor, she's toasty. And that's really hurting my eyes. Smoking. Oh well, the motor costs less than a pizza, so yeah, well I say less than the pizza, less than some chips even. But now it appears I've got to wait for it to cool off. Hopefully it hasn't done too much damage. Still run. Still runs. And yes, I know the speed controller's not hooked up properly and everything's just sort of everywhere. But yeah, it's not set up yet. It's going to have aluminium battery boxes welded to the side of it. There's going to be a separate box for the electronics and the radio gear. This is just a proof of concept at the moment. But it does seem to go pretty well, even on this random motor, but there's no rating on the motor to say what kV it was or anything like that. I think I'll have to go for a lower one, but I don't know what kV this motor was originally. So we're going to have to chop and change a little bit with some cheap Chinese motors and stuff like that. And I'm going to do water cooling as well, so there's going to be a water jacket around the outside of the motor. And well, coolant jacket rather, it's not just water. And then there's going to be a radiator mounted somewhere. I'm not sure where we're going to put that yet, probably on the side or something like that with a couple of PC fans. It'll have its own built-in reservoir. It'll be like an AIO, cut open and modified. So now I've got to wait for this stupid thing to cool down. Oh dear. That concludes this video. Okay, the motor's still really hot, so let's just rev it up a little bit more anyway. Nah, we're getting way too hot. She's smoking.